Three important things about you only.
Participatory ecological land use management, Uganda has embarked on a campaign to restore the utilization and conservation of indigenous and traditional foods among the communities in Uganda under the theme Advancing Uganda's Food System Transformation through the National Agroecology Strategy. While addressing the press in Kampala today, Edward Mochibi, the Vice Chairperson, Pelham Uganda Country Board, says that several activities have been undertaken for the effort, including the national and the food fairs.
The 2024 National Agriculture Week of Action has specific events. It combines specific events organized under various themes to engage the public, but also to spark debate on the future of food in Uganda. And these include the 6th National Agroecology Actors Symposium that will start and will be held on 23rd October. And the theme will be Advancing Uganda's Food Systems Transformation through the National Agroecology Strategy. This will kick off the debate and also the discussions and the dialogue to the which we are going to have during this week. The second event will be the 3rd Agroecological Market Systems Expo on 24th October under the theme Strengthening Partnerships for Sustainable Agroecological Entrepreneurship and Markets Development. This is very important because we are looking at transforming agroecological food systems to build more resilient local economies, and this needs entrepreneurs, supporting entrepreneurs, and also business people in agroecological.
Machibi adds that they want to promote sustainable agriculture in Uganda through the different agroecological practices.
This strategy identifies 5 key challenges to Uganda's food system. In addition to what Moses has said, these key challenges which have been identified by the Ministry of Agriculture, which are still keeping our agricultural and food systems low, that we still have food insecure and also income insecure people, mostly farmers. One of these challenges is declining productivity of our agricultural landscapes.
Steers agroecology. And this Actors platform is a national structure which is chaired by the Ministry of Agriculture. And we have a decentralized structure in form of the regional agroecology actors platforms. This week will reach specifically more than 10 million people in the country. Already, as Pelham and other actors within our structures, we reach over 6 million.
Josephine Akir, Country Coordinator, Pelham Uganda, has also highlighted the Indigenous and the Seed Fair that will from 24th to 25th of October.
To Arusha in Tanzania, still having a food and seed festival. Pelham Kenya held theirs last week, and now Uganda is also coming through. The only difference is that Pelham Uganda holds a whole interactive week, which is aimed at bringing into context the objective, the use and benefits of agroecology, like we later alluded on, but also trying to look at how do we garner policy support in terms of agroecology. We are working with the Ministry of Agriculture, Animal Industries and Fisheries, together with other stakeholders and Pelham Uganda members, to develop the National Agroecology Strategy.
The overall object of the Indigenous and the Traditional Food Seed Fair is to showcase the potential contribution and significance of Indigenous and the traditional food systems in nurturing healthy, nutritious, and the resilient food system for all generations and strategies for promoting sustainable food production.
Food produced worldwide